Yeah, so this machine is experiencing a battery issue, and just like you can see here, it indicates that there is no battery detected. So we want to find out the issue, but first of all, I'll run a battery report to see what actually the exact issue is. Then we can take it from there. So I run it through command prompt. I run it through the command prompt, which is CMD. Yes. So we'll come and run the battery report command to be sure what the exact issue is. So we'll start by CFG. No, we'll start power CFG. Then we say battery report. Okay, so we do not have because of the directory that we are currently in. So let me just change the directory. CD. Okay, so we are in the admin directory. So now we can run the report, which is power CFG and then battery report. Great. So he said the battery life report has been saved on this path. So let's open this path just to be sure. This PC this is it. So open it. And here we are. This is the report. So let's see what the report says. The report says that there are no batteries. No batteries are currently installed. Okay. So which means for a while now there haven't been any report on battery. And this is the previous report that we have from 2012. So from 2012 December, we have about 591 hours of battery being active. Wow. Then I'm sure this is what has actually caused the issue. After you realize that there haven't been any charge, there was a 7-hour charge, no 7 minutes charge here, but it didn't really go anywhere. So from March, there wasn't any proper recording until June, and now, okay. So this is the period at which the battery has lasted. So since the operating system, we have about 4,000 hours of battery usage. Wow. So let's just be sure if there's any battery installed or not. So let's just open the laptop to be sure. Yeah, so we are coming to open this machine to really be sure if there is a battery in it or not. Just like I showed you earlier on, that there is no connection at all, and we want to find out if there is a power connection, there is battery in it or not, because I ran the report as you saw, and it clearly indicates that there is no battery installed. So let's just get it sorted now. Okay, so yes, we have the battery installed. We have the battery installed here. Let's remove it and then be sure if everything is fine with the battery. So the report we read is quite different from what we're actually seeing here, because there's actually a battery in here. Remove the battery. Yes, so this is the battery I'm trying to remove. Okay, so let's just remove this guy. Let's see. Okay, so this is the battery. It doesn't look damaged, but perhaps we'll have to do a replacement, maybe. Okay. So I'll fix it back and then we'll see how that would work. Okay. Okay, so it looks like the battery is still not being recognized. So at this point, we can say the battery is damaged. At this point, yeah.